Good morning, traders. Welcome back to our live trading session. Hello, guys. Good morning. It's 9:01, so it's a good timing for us. We're gonna look for some opportunities on the market. This week it's not too bad. It could be better, but we are still in profit, which is good. So it's not that bad. We got still 2 more days till the end of the week, of the trading week, so today and tomorrow. So hopefully it's gonna be good. Last week, Friday, for me was perfect, the best day on Friday. Almost every single transaction was great. So hopefully this Friday also is gonna be good. Thank you, thank you. Nice to have you here, guys. So what can we do? We're gonna start from microeconomic calendar. We need to check what's going on. So, do we have any important news today or not? Let's have a look. I'm using AI Kindle now because we got all the informations right here. Microeconomic calendar. Let me just refresh the page and let's see all the news this week. No, we want today, and we got medium impact. Let's check high impact. No high impact news today. What about medium? We got some medium impact starting from 9:30. European Central Bank President Lagarde's peak later on at 9:30, so in about 30 minutes time. We got some other initial jobless climbs. This is medium impact. Let me just compare it to the Forex factory. Yeah, unemployment climbs, they are marked as red, so they are high impact basically. So these are the only one high impact news we got today. So that will be 2:30 p.m. later on. We got still plenty of time for trading. So yeah, it's not too bad. So guys, let's move to our charts. I'm gonna open MT4 platform. MT4 platform. I don't know why I got another one, but it stopped yesterday and it's not moving. The charts are not moving. I don't know why. But I moved everything here, so we should be good. This is Euro USD, so we're gonna look for some daily targets, also some previous day targets. And we got one target here. We are too close now, but if the price will go lower, probably we're gonna try to use it. Maybe we're gonna make a plan, but let's leave it for now. I want to check previous day. All right. Do we have any targets from previous day? Not really. We can double check. Let's have a look. Customize. I need Fibonacci tool. This one here. Okay. So we got open, high. Sorry, this is not high. My mistake. And we got low. No, the target looks like it's done. I need to change colors. Okay, yeah, target is done, so nothing to do. We don't have any targets close by. We got only that one from 2 to 9, so I'm gonna put that back on the chart. 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so yeah, this one here we're gonna try to use later. So we're gonna make a plan. Let's leave it for now because we got plenty of time. Because even if the price will now reverse, it's too tight, so not much space. Let's leave it. Let's check another one. GBP USD chart window. I'm gonna put all in panel. First, we're gonna check previous day targets. Okay. We got two targets. Something is wrong here. Why? Oh, this is 4 hour time frame. Sorry, guys. Yes, no targets close by. We got some targets which are 111 pips away from the price. And if we look at our average trading range from previous days, we got 81 pips, we got 67. So probably average is around 70 pips. So guys, at the moment we are too far, so I don't think we're gonna get there today. Maybe tomorrow, if the price will get closer, we might have a chance, but not today. Let's check the other targets from 2 to 9. Okay. Yes, the same like on Euro. We got target, and here we got more space. Okay, so we're gonna come back to this one. Let me just write it down. We're gonna come back to Euro and GBP later on. So we got Euro and GBP. So we're gonna try to make a plan. Next one, we got USD CAD chart window, all-in panel, previous day. Here we got target from previous day. Maybe we're gonna be able to use it for reaction. So let's have a look. I'm gonna find out if we got any clusters. No, we don't have clusters, so I'm not gonna use this target for reaction. So we're gonna have to leave it. We are too close probably to get to that target. Even if I want to use any kind of, you know, trend line, it's gonna be hard. Because we are very close, okay? All right, and let me just change, trend line properties, we're gonna make it a little bit bigger, okay. So no USD CAD, no, let's check USD CHF. We can check that on every single major currency pair, and also gold and crude oil are working pretty well. We're gonna go through all that. You can see it doesn't take long to check the targets, okay? If you're using all-in panel, it's pretty simple. You can see one click and we know what's going on. We got targets. Maybe we're gonna use it. It's only 15 pips. It's very close, but maybe we're gonna have some clusters. And we do have a cluster, guys. We do have a cluster, and we can set order for reaction. I'm not gonna think too much. Okay, we got targets, we got clusters, so let's set order for reaction, guys. Another thing what we can check, if we got some kind of, let's say, volume level, this area is gonna be even stronger. Okay, so let's have a look. Indicators list, we got volume edge. Let's load. One second, guys. I think I need to download history, but it doesn't matter for now because there's nothing here. Okay, so I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna fix that later. So no, we don't have any clusters, but for sure we can set order for reaction for 10 pips. USD CHF, this is 10 pips reaction, quite big reaction, to be honest. Okay. Let me think about it because this is quite a big move. CHF, I'm gonna come back to this one, but probably we're gonna send order for reaction. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. Okay. Okay, thanks, Christoph. Let's have a look. Volume edge. Yes, a little bit higher. It's good. Just a little bit higher. Yeah, good. We're gonna maybe use it later. Now let's check USD CAD. We got USD JPY chart window. Gonna put all in panel. You see, it takes only a few minutes to check all the targets and different targets also. 1 hour time frame. Daily target. Do we have any? Yes, there is one down the bottom, but we are in bullish trend. The price is going up. I think we had some swing and the market structure from 1 hour time frame is bearish, but when we look at the situation, current situation right here, maybe not. Seconds. The price stopped somewhere in this area. This is support resistance zone. We might bounce from it and we can go down, but we're gonna check that later. If the price will come back here, probably we're gonna go up. So at the moment, I'm gonna leave it. We can check other targets. When we finish with all-in panel and all our targets, we're gonna check different strategies, smart money concept, to look for some opportunities, guys. So slowly. Okay. And you can see on USDJPY, we have target down the bottom. Because we have target down the bottom, we can try to use it. Today, the price is going down, we can see. We got some kind of probably, yes, channel. So we got impulse going down, we got channel, they grabbed some liquidity, so we had some kind of manipulation, quick one, they got stop losses right here, and we are on the way up, which is good, but because we got this impulse here, we got the flag, probably after breakout, we might have a chance to go down, but we can also try to use this rotation channel, okay? So if we're gonna find the right place to enter the trade somewhere in this area, look, we got plenty of space, but if the price will get to the bottom edge of rotation channel, we're gonna have to secure it for break even, okay? All right, let me check this impulse, probably from here. No, it's previous day, but don't worry. People level. Reaction on 61.8, guys. 61.8. Even if I'm gonna take this one here, okay, look that good. Let me just jump into this one here. I want to check candles volume footprint. No, don't worry. Yeah, it's looking good, but I'm not sure if you're gonna find a place to enter the trade. This is 5 minutes time frame. Now to enter the trade is a little bit risky because you know the price is going up. We stopped here at support zone, or might go up. So we're gonna leave it for now, because even if we're gonna get here and we're gonna break through, I don't think we're gonna have enough space for this target. So let them go maybe a little bit higher. We will see. At the moment, I would probably leave it. Don't worry about it. We want to find something good, you know, because I don't want to, we want to find the best setups. Not every single target we can, you know, open position to get to that target. So show all. 1 second, guys. Crude. Where is gold? Gold is here. Chart window. 1 hour time frame, and we're gonna put all in panel. I think we're gonna check targets from 2 to 9 first. We have targets, but if we're gonna get there now, we won't be able to use it. Okay, so if the price will drop lower, of course, yes. Guys, I want to show you something because yesterday I was pretty lucky. I was pretty lucky. Remember, guys, when I told you that I've set order for on gold yesterday using fixed range volume profile and defined nice area right here, and that was also volume level and 61.8 from that impulse. Okay, so quite strong area. Now, I've set pending order, and I for this kind of transactions I usually do 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. But yesterday I wanted to go much higher, guys. So I've set pending order, and my full take profit, like I said, it was here. So the trade was perfect because it was activated right here. Let me just remove it. It was activated right here, and I've done more than halfway because here was my full take profit. And look what happened. The price came back, but because I had a very good entry to the position, I've set break even. I didn't secure any profit, okay? I was waiting for at least 1 to 5, but 1 to 5 was done, I think, somewhere here. So I was trying to get much more. The price came back, and look what happened. Very lucky here. I didn't get stopped out, and then the price went up. So yeah, sometimes, guys, we we need just a little bit luck as well. So yesterday I was lucky. I thought they're gonna cut me out because I was very close, maybe a few pips for break even, and then boom. Arthur, I'm not sure. I think you are talking about which one was it? 1 second. USDJPY. On this side, not really. I know you are talking maybe about undershoot. We can expect overshoot on the other side. Maybe yes, but not in this case, probably. Okay, so gold, we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna check another crude oil, and then we're gonna switch to the other strategy, okay? Crude oil is WTI.FS, this one here. Okay, and we need all in panel. We need to put that on the chart. All right. No, the target is done. One more thing, I'm gonna check one more target from previous day. All in camp, okay. No, nothing close by. Okay, that's cool. So we don't have too many options using all-in panel. Maybe this target, yes, but maybe later. GBP is good. We can focus on GBP because we got plenty of space, but we need to find a place for reversal maybe. So I'm gonna leave those volume levels. We might use it. Here we got one volume level, and here we got another one. Okay, I'm gonna remove volume edge, and I'm gonna change this for different colors so we know this is some kind of volume. Yeah, volume level. 1 second. So we got two volume levels here and there. Okay. So let's try to find rotation channel from higher time frame because we can see the price is moving up. So maybe we got some kind of rotation channel, and we're gonna be able to use it because if the price reach the bottom of this rotation channel, we got some volume levels that can be trigger for buyers, and we're gonna be able to open position to go up. So pretty simple, but we need to find the right rotation channel. Let's have a look. I think this should work. This should work. Orange, no, we want black. Okay, and the other side, probably the other side, it needs to be like this. Okay, with small overshoot. So if we got this overshoot right here, we can expect the price to go a little bit lower, but they don't need to do that, okay? So don't focus on this situation that they need to break through. We need to have the same thing on the other side. No, we got two volume levels, which are very close to the rotation channel, and we're gonna try to use those volume levels, probably. Okay, let's go a little bit closer and let's check if we got any support resistance zone. I want to check from 4-hour time frame. Yes, from 4-hour time frame is looking good. Why? Because this is some kind of support resistance zone from higher time frame. You can see the price was reacting. If I'm gonna extend this to the left, look, here we had some reactions. After the breakout, price came back. That was support for buyers. Price went through, we got resistance zone. And we are on the other side, so there is a chance we're gonna retest it and go up. So let's go back to 1-hour time frame. We can see this is the area I defined. So this is the support resistance zone, and we got 2 volume levels and bottom edge of rotation channel. Is this place good for us to enter the trade to go up? I think yes. In about 9 minutes, European Central Bank President Lagarde is gonna speak. So maybe the price will move a little bit faster. So let's go deeper into 5 minutes time frame. Okay, one more thing I want to check on trading view. Is fixed range, volume profile. I can do whole impulse. This might be a little bit low. No, I cannot use it. Anyway, and we got 2 volume levels, so I think it's gonna be good place for us to enter the trade. If we're gonna go down here, first reaction of course can be in this place, but if we're gonna go lower, guys, look, we got target down up here. So if we're gonna get to this volume level and we're gonna have reaction, the easiest way to enter the position sometimes is simple trend line. So if we got plan, we know the rotation channel, support resistance zone, we got confirmations from volume levels and some other stuff. Sometimes all we need is just simple trend line. So if you're gonna go down here, maybe we're gonna be able to add this trend line, and after the breakout, for us, this is the moment to enter the trade. And look how much space we got to get to this target. We're gonna enter here. We can put stop loss, safe stop loss under the support resistance zone and also under the bottom of rotation channel, and we're gonna. I think we can get 4 to 1, 1 to 4, something like that. Yeah. I think we are able to do that, but we're gonna have to wait a little bit for this trade, okay? But it's looking good. I think we can get there, okay? Yes, let's make a screenshot. That is the first option. This AllinTraders live sessions. Today is 1 second, guys. Today is the 26th of February. And this is GBP USD. Okay, you can see the price is slowly going down, about 20 pips left. So we got plan for this one. Also, there is a chance we're gonna stop here. Look, this is like current support resistance zone, and we just entered this area. This one here. But I'm not sure about trend line. Like this, before we're gonna get there, this move's gonna be nearly finished, so for sure no. Unless we're gonna do, something like this. Maybe. We will see. For now, let's leave it. The price is heading to the bottom of the rotation channel, which is good. We might have a chance to open the trade soon. Okay. Euro USD. Let's have a look also on Euro USD because the same we got target above, but here I cannot find any rotation channel. No, maybe from higher time frame. Yeah, probably the other way around. So maybe like this. It's not a rotation channel, but we got some trend line. It's hard to say this is rotation channel. Maybe like this. We got some reactions here. Maybe. But let's focus on this area because we had some nice reactions. And we got breakout, and maybe we're gonna retest it and we're gonna go up. This is 4-hour time frame, guys. And you can see we are slowly getting to this area. Let's try to use it. Here we got some kind of support resistance zone. Come on, where is it? Yeah, support resistance zone. So daily target we got right there. A 5 minutes time frame. Okay. The thing is, if this support resistance zone is gonna work and we're gonna break through and we're gonna be on the other side, even if we're gonna bounce, there is a chance we're gonna stop here. So it doesn't work for me too well. If we're gonna stop now, maybe it's gonna be a little bit tight. If I can choose between Euro and GBP, probably GBP. GBP is looking much better. But the same, if GBP is gonna go down, probably Euro will get to this area. You see, we are heading to our area, so maybe soon we're gonna open the position. Okay. We had one more, I think, USD JPY. We checked USD JPY. Okay. All right, so we're gonna wait for this one. We got one plan, and let's check also different strategy. I want to check Asian session liquidity. Look, guys, box breakout. Done. Euro, not yet. Gold, not yet. US 500 done. Easy. Okay. Right, now we are looking at Asian session liquidity. Okay, we can combine that with our targets because here we got some target, and if we're gonna use Asian session liquidity, the price will stop here. We might go up. I'm gonna mark this area. This is some kind of support resistance zone. I show you that already. So this is support resistance. We got into liquidity zone, so we can now expect reaction, and maybe the price will go to the other side. The thing is, we cannot go too deep. Okay, if we're gonna go lower, we're gonna be on the other side of support zone. And there is a chance we're gonna go down. So if we're gonna stop here, it's good, but we need to find a trend line, and it might be hard. Like this, it doesn't work too good for me. So let's leave it for now. Yeah, GBP, we entered the liquidity zone slowly, guys. Also here we got some support zone. We are on the other side, so before we make any decision to go up, maybe we're not gonna go so low to our volume levels, but we got some kind of trend line right here. And if the price will come back to this side and we're gonna retest the support zone, we can enter the trades. This scenario can work for me, and we got some target somewhere here. Okay, so this can be Good trade, stop loss below the support zone and take profit. So we can try to find trade like this, so they don't need to basically go so low. We have a channel on 1 hour time frame. Okay. Let me just save this trade. Save, and this is Euro USD. Okay. Jacob, yes, I know we put that rotation channel on GBP right here. Yes, I know what you're talking about. I know. So we got two plans. If we're gonna get here, we're gonna try to go up. If not, we might try from here to go up. Okay. So two different scenarios on GBP USD. I like both of them, so it doesn't matter which one is gonna be first. We're gonna try to use it. I think it's a very good plan. We're gonna save that in the trading journal. So let's move it here. Trading journal, add new trade. First one, okay, GBP USD buy strategy, basic buy in this case. Lot size, not sure. We're gonna change those information later. We're gonna be able to adjust them. Today's 26/02/2026. Open time, it doesn't matter, 01. Close time can be 02. Stop loss 20. And risk 0.25. 5 sessions, February 26 days. I think I've named it. Okay, it doesn't matter. All right, trading plan, safe trade. We got trading plan today, 26. Okay, good. And we got one more. The other one was sorry, guys. Indicate the live sessions, February. Okay, the same GBP USD. Want to go up, strategy ASAP. In the same, we don't know yet what's gonna be a profit. Zero two. What do you think after the news about Nvidia, the price on a euro should go down? Not sure. 1 second, 0.25. Okay, let me just choose the file. ASAP. Okay, so let me just save that. Trading plan, save trade. Okay, so we got for this moment two different options. Let's have a look at USD CAD. Where we at? 1 hour time frame. Four-hour time frame. I'm gonna check from the top because we got more reactions. It looks like we're breaking through. Okay, 1 hour time frame. From 1 hour time frame, do we have any rotation channel? Let's have a look. We might have. Good guys, and this is looking good because you can see we are going down. We can have something like that. We got small imbalance right here. We got imbalance right here. Let's try to find if we got any point of control. Okay, very important area. Point of control is here, but it's higher, so it's not gonna help me. But also I can check something different because I can check the whole impulse right here. And this area, value area high, is somewhere close to my imbalance. And this is somewhere around close to bearish rotation channel. So let's check if we got any volume levels. That was USD CAD. Volume edge load. Okay. Come on. Why there's no volume levels? Unlucky. Okay, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, we don't have any. But here, guys, look, the price is getting close to the target, but for me on USD CAD, this kind of move is quite big. For reaction, you know, this is big reaction. Maybe. I think we might try. Okay, USD CHF in the second, okay? USD CHF, but yeah, this one here. This area can be triggered. Why? Guys, let me just break it down. First of all, okay, I'm gonna leave that imbalance. We got some liquidity area here. And I'm not saying, you know, we might enter this area and we can have reaction, but why here? They can grab that liquidity, they can go lower. Maybe we're gonna get to this imbalance right here. And after reaction, guys, simple trend line. Simple trade. I'm not sure how it's gonna look like. Maybe like this. I'm gonna try to enter the trade, and we can go to the other side of liquidity zone from Asian session. So we're gonna have plenty of space. We're gonna look for this trade. I'm not sure if it's gonna look like this, so this can change, okay? Because if the impulse gonna be stronger, maybe the entry is gonna be lower. So you know, we need to be flexible. But the idea, the whole idea, is to get into this area to somewhere around imbalance from H with 1 hour time frame, bounce from the top of rotation channel, and we're gonna try to get to the other side. Okay, this can be nice trade. And you know, guys, sometimes when we are making plans, when I look at the plan, I know it can be good plan. Of course, anything can happen because we can drop down now, and this plan will finish in the rubbish bin. But it doesn't matter, guys. Sometimes when you see the plan can be good, everything is working, we got nice areas. We combine all the elements from the strategies together, and it's looking good. The setups usually are working very well. And when you got, let's say, you have a setup, but you are not sure, something is missing, okay? You like it, but it could be better. Sometimes it's just better to leave it. If you are not sure about the setup, leave it. Wait for the perfect moment, perfect situation. Even if you're gonna open only one trade in a single day, wait for the best one. if you're gonna wait for the best one, you're gonna have nice results. Okay, so I'm gonna save this one for sure. Where is the mouse? Save. This is USD CAD, and this is basic. Oh, okay. So let's add to that to the trading journal. Add new trade, USD CAD. We want to go down, so we're gonna go sell, trading plan strategy, basic sell. Lot size, we're not sure yet. Profit, probably 5,000. Open price, we're gonna change that later. This is random price, it doesn't matter, guys. 26/02/2026. Open time. All these informations we're gonna fill out later because we don't know exact time, stop loss, entry point. We got plan, but we're gonna have to wait for the exact informations. 0.25, and let's choose trading plan, safe trade. Okay, we got 3 different trades for today. 3 different plans: GBP, 2 options, and USD CAD. Okay, let's go back to GBP. Are they going down? Yes, they are going lower, which is good because we are getting close to the volume levels. Nice. Not too far. You can see we are missing just few pips, so maybe soon we're gonna be able to open the trade. All right. Okay, so that was USD CAD. Let's have a look at USD CHF. Higher time frame. Yeah, we are moving in some kind of rotation channel. I don't like the spaces, in rotation channel, but it's okay. Let's leave it. On USD CAD, it looks like we bounced from the bottom edge and there is a chance to go up. So you can see on different instruments, different direction. On USD CAD, we are looking for the trade to go down. So US dollar will get weaker, and on this one, US dollar should get stronger. So yeah, that's what it is. Okay, but it doesn't mean they're not gonna come back here and bounce again. Okay, we still can get here. We got into liquidity zone, but I'm missing here the trend line. I don't know where to enter the trade. I need trend lines for a double confirmation. Sometimes simple trend line after the breakout, guys. We got more chances for success. So this one here, not sure. This is done now. No, so let's leave it. USDJPY can be good, but look how the 50% of the channel is working. Look at this. So are we going down? Maybe yes, maybe no. Let's find out. For sure, we got plenty of space. Can we use any of these liquidity areas? Probably not, but we can go deeper and let's check the previous day. Because here we had nice impulse, but I'm not sure. We already came back here and there was reaction. Point of controls, not really. Sometimes if we got nice point of control and we got rotation channel, it's in the same place, good place to enter the trade. Okay, can be. We got some trend line right here. And we are still retesting this trend line. There was a breakout, and maybe some of you already in the trade to go up, but they are sliding down this trend line. Or we can have something like this, but we're gonna have to wait. We are in the middle of Asian session box, so you know, we might have to wait. If we're gonna go down lower, we're gonna have reaction in liquid zone. We're gonna wait for the breakout through this trend line. This trend line works great, should work great, especially in bullish rotation channel from higher time frame. If we got trend line like this, sometimes the price is going, you know, down, and after the breakout, we have chance to get to the other side. Of course, it go up, down, up, down. That's how it usually looks like. We don't go straight to the other side. Sometimes, yes, over here, let's say they went straight up. So USD JPY, I'm gonna wait for the price to go down. I'm gonna leave this trend line. You might say, okay, but they went through, so maybe we should move this trend line. No, I'm gonna leave it because I can see it's reacting. We got reactions at this trend line, so it's still working. Okay, let's leave it. What is point of control? Point of control is the area where we had the most trading activity, the highest volume. So the point of control is the area, if you're gonna mark, let's say, this or previous day, let's say example of previous day. We got previous day. So if we're gonna check where was the biggest activity, trading activity, and we got level of point of control, that means at this level, there was the highest trading activity and the most transactions were opened at this level. And it doesn't mean buy or sell, it's together, buy and sell. So we don't know if we had more buys or more sells. No, it's together, buy, sell, the most trading activity, let's say, was at this area. And we can check that with this indicator. So we can see yesterday the highest trading activity, the most transactions were open at this level. Here, here, here. Today, this is the area. Yesterday, this one here. Okay. So, yeah, we are still going down. Let me just have a look at GBP. Are we there yet or not? No, not yet. USD CAD, not yet. USD CHF. CAD. Guys, guys. CAD. Oh, no. CH. No, we need to wait on this one. Okay, let's focus on gold. I'm gonna wait for this one. Let them go down, maybe to this Asian session liquidity. After the breakout, I will look for the trade to go up, but I got plenty of time. Maybe it's gonna be on our next session this afternoon. Okay, let's try gold and crude oil. So what's happening on gold? Are we in any rotation channel? Let's have a look. We got nice trend line. You can see the price went a little bit through, but it's still holding the price. Good. Still holding the price. Is it any rotation channel? Maybe like this. We had reactions here, two reactions there, some small overshoot, Might have small undershoot here and maybe go up. Good, let's leave it like this for now. Price is slowly going up. The good thing is we are somewhere at the bottom of this, you know, let's say rotation channel. Okay, I would probably leave this like it is right now. And I want to mark support resistance zone. The current one is right here probably. We had some reactions. Okay, that's for sure. After the breakout reaction on the other side. Yes, it's definitely the market is respecting this area. So because we are at the bottom of this channel, guys, we got plenty of space. If we're gonna go up, I'm gonna wait for the breakout retest, maybe of this trend line or this support resistance zone. And we might have a chance to go much higher. Much higher. We can also try to enter position a little bit earlier. Because I think we grabbed liquidity from Asian session. No, not yet. Okay. They didn't do it. They didn't do it. After the breakout, you know, retest. Good, but still this area is gonna block me. So no, probably I'm gonna wait for the price to go a little bit higher. Maybe if we're gonna have nice impulse going down, we're gonna use our indicator right here and we're gonna spot the place. We're gonna set pending order and we're gonna try to go up. But for this one, we got plenty of space and plenty of time. We got 200, more than 200 pips. So I'm not gonna focus at this right now. I will come back to it later, maybe on next session. We'll see. And the crude oil is pretty interesting, I can say. Yesterday I told you that we have some kind of range, okay, from higher time frame. The price is moving up and down. Usually they are grabbing liquidity from both sides. So if we got some kind of range, they like to go a little bit higher, grab some liquidity, and then we're going to the other side. Here we had some liquidity, they went up, they grabbed it, and we are going on the other side. Here they grabbed this liquidity, they went up. They stopped in the middle of the channel, we went down, they grabbed liquidity from here, and we are somewhere at the bottom. So we got two options in here. First option is if we're gonna break through, retest, we might have a chance to go down. A lot of imbalances down there, so there is something to do, but also guys, this is some kind of support resistance zone from higher time frame and we stopped here. So there is a chance that we gonna go down to grab the liquidity from Asian session and we might have a bullish reaction and guys, plenty of space to go up. But like I said, we can have another option, go down. So one of these I'm gonna look for. Well, let's go to lower time frame. And from lower time frame, first of all, this is our liquid zone. Liquid pool. Let me just go to higher time frame. I want to change this one because I don't want to see this. Background, no, we don't want the background. Just want to see the range. We got range, okay, it's fine. 5 minutes time frame. So we got some liquid pool right here, but don't forget about this liquid zone from yesterday. Also, it's here, sell side liquidity. Okay, so we got liquidity, two areas of liquidity. So we got some option to go up, of course. Let me just find out if we got any If we got any trend line we can use like this, yeah, it's working pretty good, I can say. Look, guys, nice reaction, nice one, and today nice. So if we're gonna enter liquid zone and we're gonna have reaction, we can wait for the price to break through, and trust me, we're gonna have a lot of space to go to the other side of the trading range from higher time frame. So this option, yes. Also, we can go deeper, because if we're gonna go lower, we're gonna have to wait a little bit more. So maybe later or tomorrow, who knows? So yeah, I'm gonna wait for this situation unless we're gonna break through down and we're gonna have some nice reaction. I might look for second option, but to be honest, this one is gonna be better for me. So the first option is a little bit better for me. It's looking not too bad, I can say. So I'm gonna save this plan. Guys, we're gonna have to finish in about a second, because we're gonna move to Discord channel. Wait, we're gonna move to Discord channel. Let me just save this plan. I'm not try to use it, of course. That's why we are making this plan. This is crude oil. We want to go up, strategy, basic buy. We don't know. So guys, we got few different plans today. We got this one here, crude oil. I'm gonna look for the first option probably. Next one we have Canadian dollar. This one is looking very good, I can say. This is looking very good. Another option we got GBP, which is looking also very good. So two nice ones. And another one we got here, this is British pound. Yeah, a little bit different option, but also it can work, guys. So it's looking very good. Guys, we're gonna move to the Discord channel. In 2 minutes time, we're gonna start another session. So thank you guys for today. We got some trading plans. I'm gonna try to use them. Hopefully, I need only one plan. I don't need all of them. I need only one good plan. If I'm gonna be able to enter the trade, I'm trying to make some nice profits today. Later on, another session. So we're gonna try later, maybe different plans. So guys, for now, thank you very much, and I will see you soon. Take care, guys.